If you're seeing Snapchat error code C14A or C14B, it usually means there's a connection or app issue. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening a website in your browser to confirm your internet is working. Next, restart your device. This helps clear temporary glitches that may be affecting Snapchat. Now, clear the Snapchat cache. On iPhone, you can go to Settings, then tap General, then tap iPhone Storage. Choose Snapchat, then offload and reinstall the app. On Android, go to Settings, then tap Apps. Tap Snapchat, click See Storage. You will see Clear Cache. If the issue continues, update Snapchat. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and install the latest version. Still not fixed? Try reinstalling Snapchat completely. Delete the app, then download it again and log back in. Also make sure your device software is updated. Go to Settings, then tap Software Update and install any available updates. And that's it. One of these steps will usually fix Snapchat support codes C14A or C14B quickly.